Adding unit costs to your measurements. There are two ways of doing this. In takeoff itself, for example, I have these various different types of doors that I have used the count tool to go count them on my sheets. For example, here's number 5 style door, and I have counted them on this particular floor plan, and there you have them. If I go to the properties of that particular door, I've said the unit cost of this door is $155. So I have already set the unit cost in takeoff. Now, if I were to go ahead and right mouse click and say add to estimate, and I have a specific sheet on this project just for doors, and I'll select that sheet and I'll click add. Now I'm going to come to my project estimates and I'm going to click on my sheet doors. You see, that measurement automatically came over with a quantity of 21. The unit price that I had put in there came across as well, and it automatically calculated for me here. Let me demonstrate that again. I'm going to go and select another type of door. Okay, this time I'm going to select one of these other doors down here, maybe door number 4, door 4. This one here. I'm going to right mouse click, add to estimate. I'm going to select doors, and I also have a unit cost on that one as well. So now if I go to project estimates, that other door came in, right? Door number 4, and you can see the unit cost came through, multiplied by the quantity, and you can see down at the bottom of this sheet, the total for the doors has now come out to be $4,204.50. And we have the flexibility of including this sheet in our total project cost by using this toggle. If I were to click on this toggle, you see the subtotal went down by $4,204. I can include it back in again by clicking on that, and the subtotal is rolled up into the project totals. Now I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to go back to the plan, and I'm going to create, let's say for example, do another count of a particular type of, let's say, toilet. I'll make that count here, and we'll go down. Okay, so here's my count. I clicked on it twice, 2, but I'm not going to set the unit cost, and then I'm just going to basically send it straight to my estimate. I'll send it to common areas. I have a sheet called common areas. So now I'll go back to my project estimate. I'll go to common areas. You see there's a count, but in takeoff I hadn't set a unit cost for it there. That's okay. There's 2 ways of doing unit costs. I can come and click edit here. Okay, I know I have a count. Maybe that particular toilet costs $565. I'll enter it, and you can see it multiplied it by the quantity, and it automatically got rolled up in my project total. You can also add, if there was a tax on that particular item and you have to pass the tax through, let's say the tax rate is 6%, I'll just enter a 6, hit save. See, the tax got tabulated down here for that particular sheet, and it got rolled up into the project as well. Thank you.